So the objects in this cabinet are things that you may not expect to be in a museum's collection. And we have some lollies from the 1989 NAIDOC Week event. We also have several things that came with the lollies, which was an information bag. We have a newspaper article. And then we also have a sticker from the previous year in NAIDOC in 1988. These years were quite a political and important time for Aboriginal Australia and Australia as a whole. And collecting lollies and collecting stickers and collecting these things that speak to these histories ensures that we represent the ongoing, living and strong culture of First Peoples of Victoria, but also across Australia.